Brands are paying up to $500 for images like this. And most people have no idea you can create them with AI. Not this. This is what brands actually pay for. Let me show you exactly how to create and sell them. So let's see what we get here, okay? Let me start the video with a little proof. These images I'm about to show you right now are not stock images and they are not a real photo shoot. Okay, are you ready? So the first images I want to show you are these 3 images I created for this video with my prompt system. And you can see the high quality, you can see the sharpness, you can see the details, okay? And it's absolutely insane how good the AI quality and the AI images are getting right now. But I want you to understand one thing. This is not about creating images. This is about creating content businesses actually need. And what do businesses need? Think about it. Okay, I'm going to tell you. So let me start off with an example. Of course, businesses need websites. So you can start using your product photos you just created to sell them for a website designer, or you design them a website yourself and you can charge a lot of money with it. And I, on purpose, created a lot of image photos for this bottle here, and you can see how you could use all these images for the website and how professional and just good looking it is in general. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say you just want to obviously create ads. Okay, look at this. This is an ad I created and it looks absolutely amazing. Brands would pay a lot of money for this. You can get a lot of clients when you learn how to create images like this, when you learn how to prompt like this. Okay, let me give you another example. Social media. Let's say you have a startup, okay, with not so many followers. Okay, it's brand new, it's a little startup with a melatonin sleep spray stuff. You can create the images, you can create the product photos, okay, and it looks absolutely amazing. These were just 3 very, very quick examples how you can make money with AI product photos. And it's so easy. You can get so many clients because you can't even imagine how many people out there need this kind of service. So let me get to the opportunity. If you want faster results than 95% of people, you don't need more talent, you need a system. I've built a prompt list with a system that I use every day for myself and my clients. My 28 most used prompts that actually create the high quality images brands pay for every single day, and all that in one list. So if you want to stop playing with AI just like a little kid and really want to start making money with it, it's for you. And here's the best part. You don't have to reinvent anything. I've built a fast and efficient system so you can adapt every prompt to your business. Just use your 3 subjects and the prompt will do the rest. No more wondering why your images look amateur. So you can finally start today and don't waste any more time. You'll find a link in the video description. Okay? So every brand needs content, especially the small brands that can't afford expensive photo shoots. Okay? And typical examples for this are, of course, skincare brand, fitness brand, food brand, all images I just created with my prompt system, okay? And this is where you come in. That's the moment where you as a content creator, as an AI designer, come into the game, okay? How does this all work? So the process is very simple. You just create high-end product images with AI, then you package them like a real brand asset and sell them as a service. And what you need is you need high quality prompting. I learned this myself the hard way. I needed months and years to learn how to prompt correctly. And you can learn it yourself. You can learn it by another content creator. You don't have to learn it from me, but what I can offer you is to get my AI image system, okay? Which I also use. And this is a PDF file I exclusively created for this video. So the only way to find this product is via the link in this video description. No other person can ever access to it. So if you want to learn how to really sell your product photos, how to create them in the first place. Okay, I have a prompt in there you can use, a ready to use prompt, and so much value for if you want to start this business, if you want to start making money with AI. I really want you to grab my PDF file. It's down in the video description and you're good to go. I also want to show you a little demo. Okay, this is bad prompting. This is what most people create. I show you because this is why I tell you you need to learn how to prompt, because with my prompt system and the way I learned prompting, you get results like this. Okay, no messed up fonts, real words actually, okay, I mean look at this. Here, messed up fonts, no real words, it just looks so plastic and cheap. And this is really high-end quality prompting, okay? With the words, the lighting, camera lenses, all in there, okay? And this is what brands actually pay for. So let's talk about the most interesting part, monetization, okay? Let's get to it. So you can charge between $100 to $500 for a project, obviously depending on your quality and positioning. I always say you never should sell cheap. This is the positioning, okay? You find a whole page dedicated for the positioning part in my PDF. So you don't need the big players. Even small brands are willing to pay it because they need it and they know how important good ads are. So how do you get clients? It's so simple. You can find clients on Instagram, small brands, startups, or even local businesses in your area, in your country, wherever you live. This is the beauty of this business. A lot of people need your help. If you want the exact prompts and system I use to create the images, it's in the video description, as I already mentioned. The last words I want to say is don't just use AI to create images. This is how I started. I was fascinated by AI, but if you really want to turn it into income, you have to create something people will pay for, okay? I can just tell it again, grab my PDF file in the video description. It will help you a lot and let's make money together. That's it.